Hey, good morning guys, welcome to Bikers Warehouse, and guess what we've done this time? We've added a brand new concept, Motul PItstop. This is the first initiative of its kind, and I don't think anyone has a Motul PItstop like this, or there's nothing else similar to this that I've seen. This is a pit stop bay that we've built for our delivery bike riders to come in and they can come and work here and fix their bikes. So I think it's going to be an amazing thing for Bikers Warehouse and a nice initiative for us. So let's see how she works. Watch the launch.
Hi, we're from Motul South Africa, and we launched our Motul PItstop at Bikers Warehouse today. So this is the area where delivery bikes can come free of charge to service their bikes. So they have access to Bikers Warehouse where they have oil, spare parts, expertise, and instead of doing it in the parking area or somewhere next to the road where it's wet or sandy, we've created a space where they can free of charge have all the tools and equipment to service their bikes and really look after them and make their bikes last.
We're hoping that this will basically grow the initiative between these commercial riders and Motul as a brand to basically form a community and a lifestyle within the Motul brand.